First up, Corona Remedies. Remember, viewers, the IPO dates are 8th through 10th December, so you still have today and day after. The price band is 1,008 to 1,062 rupees per share. The market capitalization of this company is 6,495 crores. 14 shares of a lot is what you can bid for minimum when you go for this one. And the total issue size is 655 odd crore rupees, and it's a complete offer for sale that we are given to understand. Of course, in case you are an employee of Corona Remedies, then you also get a discount of 54 rupees per share as well. The anchor book was fully subscribed. It's already raised 195 odd crore rupees from anchor investors. Remember, as we look at the financials, the company's revenue has gone up 18% from FY24 to FY25. Profit after tax has jumped by 65% from FY24 to FY25. There is a strong growth in both top line and bottom line thereof. The promoters are Dr. Kriti Kumar Mehta, Nirav Mehta and Ankur Mehta for this company. This company was incorporated in August of 2004. It's a leading Indian pharma company, especially with women's healthcare as the focus, cardiology as the focus, pain management, urology, and multi-speciality portfolio strength is what we are seeing. They have about 71 brands that they function in as well. So let's actually try and understand on Corona Remedies. Astha, what are the points that you are also looking at in Corona Remedies first?
So I like this company a lot. First of all, this company is into, India-focused branded formulations, especially in the women's healthcare. Whatever their products are launched, it is like in the urology, pain management. Basically, they are all, headed towards the women's healthcare, anti-diabetic, and they have a product with, diabetic, anti-diabetic product also they are having. Cardio products are also they are having. So now what I'm liking about this company is, first of all, their market share, especially if I talk about, Indian market, pharmaceutical market, then their market share is very, very good. And in fact, their, kind of products which they have launched, they are really, in the demand. So we are very much liking this company. Apart from it, whatever financial performance they have shown, it is very strong. Looking after the valuation, because nowadays, actually, what is happening, valuations are holding key for any type of recommendation for any IPO. So here the valuations are also on the comfortable levels because they are coming at price to earning multiple of 35, which seems to be okay when I compare it with their other peers. So in fact, the valuations are also on the comfortable side. So looking after all these factors with the strong financial performance, with the kind of market share they are holding in the Indian pharmaceutical market, the kind of products they have there in their product portfolio. I mean, all these are signaling towards a good listing of this company, keeping in mind the fundamentals are looking very strong. So our idea here is to apply for the IPO in this company. In fact, those who want to go for only listing gain, because, majority of the retail investors, they really interested in the listing gain purpose also. So for the listing gain also, they can apply in the IPO. And if anyone wants to keep it in their product portfolio, their portfolio of stocks, not product portfolio, but the portfolio of stocks, then definitely it is a good investment for a long-term purpose also. So for both the set of investors, we are recommending subscribe for listing gain as well as for long-term purposes.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.